Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and subscribe to the channel? It helps other people know when I post videos. And for all you new members that recently joined me over the last week or so, thank you so much for coming aboard to my weight loss journey. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Ron. I live in Leominster, Massachusetts. It's in the north central part of the state. I'm currently 66 years old, will be 67 on August, and so far to date I have taken off over 140 pounds since my weight loss journey began in early days of 2020, and the official date was August 17th of 2020, and I posted my first video on September 1st, 2020, and it's been really a pleasurable experience helping you guys to get out there and get healthy and continue to get healthy, and that's all it's all about. And yeah, so most of you guys know I've been having problems with my feet, and the ones that have been following me along, I have fungus growing on the outside of my feet, and they gave me some internal medicine to take. I finished out using up all that. Had a really great experience with the wound center on last couple of visits. She's definitely helping me. Still trying to get my lymphedema pump on my right leg, and for my left leg, left leg is not as bad as the right leg, and it's quite common in a lot of people. And even the fungus growing on the outside of my feet, it's quite common. So she gave me some Sob to take, which is it's a steroid cream, and I've been putting that on 2 or 3 times a day, soaking my feet in warm water with some vinegar and some salt now and then, and just regular warm water, room temperature water that I can tolerate. And yeah, so that's what we got going on this week. Now, starting next month, we're doing a 30-day monthly challenge next month. It's going to be hard, but nobody ever said life is going to be easy. Everything's a challenge. We have little obstacles in the way. My feet are one of them. So we're going carnivore for the whole month of June. And I'll film out every day what I'm going to eat, and I'll document my weight loss, my weight gain, if I have any weight gain. We'll do scale photographs and measurements for the month of June. And yeah, and that's what we got going on for the month of June anyways, coming up. And yeah, so anyways, I just hope you have a good holiday weekend coming up, and I just wanted to just talk about what we got planned for the month of June. And I'll have an update in week 144. That'll be coming up this week, and just wanted to talk about a few things. And I've been a little bit depressed. Everybody knows that because I'm limited on walking, and I love walking, and I love taking photography at the city. We have a beautiful city in our city of Leominster. We have the best man. Dean's been we've been friends forever, and he's been the longest acting man in the Commonwealth, 30 years plus, and there's a reason for that, because people just love him, and we all love him, and we're just thankful, because the roads are always under construction for repaving the roads, and we all have brand new roads, and the city's really kept up clean with these people that get hired to go out and they pick up trash and just go around the city, and a lot of volunteers and stuff like that to go around to these churches. I saw this past week and cleaning up some of these churches that they don't use church services over there too much anymore. But people just want city clean, and I'm so grateful for that. And of course, the volunteers and the veterans this weekend for Memorial Day services that'll be going on throughout the country and our city. And if you're a veteran, thank you for serving this great country of ours. And, we're going to be making America great again at some point. So just, be patient, and that'll be coming. But anyways, that's all I got to say. But anyways, I just wanted to say thank you again for coming along to the channel. And I'll be posting more videos as time as I can. I'm going to be doing another past the present slide presentation of my journey. And also, I've been going through some older videos, and some I never posted, some I posted, some I'm reposting, and with some new information, and continue on with the videos for the recipes. And yeah, so that's all I got to say. Again, remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And remember, I love you, God loves you. Have an amazing day.